So this is how they do the mind control. So whatever they're doing for the mind control, I'm reversing in the name of Jesus. So listen up. So in the book, it says that Soviets were the first to discover the 1960s that human brain had 23 BEG band wavelengths, of which 11 of these were totally independent. And by knowing these 11 band waves, then sending signals based on these band waves, the human mind could be manipulated. And the person's prime freak, that is their biological frequency, needs to be identified. Then it's possible to remotely implant thoughts and voices into their mind. Now, the way that they do it is they do ELF, like electrical, like low frequency waves below 6 cycles per second, cause subjects to become emotionally upset, and this may also disrupt bodily functions, and then between 8 to 2 cycles per second, the person can get elevated like highs, and that would be accomplished by like a master meditation. And then between 11 to 11.3 per second causes the brainwave to become agitated and begin riotous behavior. And that they direct that the population to incite riots. And they can affect your visual centers, your touch centers, your auditory, your motor control, and your subconscious thoughts through different frequencies. What they do is they'll put you to sleep and then make you either like invoke an emotion. So this could be tired, depressed, fear, or creating a zombie state. And then they create a violent state. Then they could create like a sexually aggressive one. And that all of this is to tie into any sort of like chemistry, your cell. This affects your cellular chemistry, so it'll affect your hormones and stuff. And then it obviously changes your hormones. And then obviously the main thing is that they're trying to inhibit or enhance mRNA, depending on what they're doing. Like if you're trying to make you a super soldier, then that's going to be something different. But then controlling the transaction between the DNA, that process, and control biological spin and proton coupling constants in DNA, RNA, and RNA transferases. So today's healing, I'm going to go to the place that they're doing that, bring forward the fragments that are in zombie states, are in maybe fear, depression, and we're going to heal that, and then disconnect from the programs that they have done. And it's all movie-based programs. So I've got a whole heap of movies that I'm going to be like, blah, 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 blah. And then the Lord's going to cut you off from it.